Get ready to revolutionize your home theater experience with the world's first 8K projector. Imagine watching your favorite movies and shows in a resolution so high it feels like you're right there in the scene. Unleash the future of entertainment with Samsung's latest masterpiece, the Premiere 8K. This isn't just another projector, it's a technological marvel that brings the cinema experience right into your living room. Experience the unimaginable with the Premiere 8, the most advanced projector on the planet. With cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance, this Projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. Prepare to be blown away by the stunning visuals and cutting-edge tech of Samsung is the Premiere 8. The reactions from viewers are nothing short of inspiring. Let's dive in and see what this beast of a projector has to offer. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, there's a lot to cover. First up, let's talk design. The Premiere 8K is not just about performance, it's also about style. The Premiere 8K has a sleek and premium design. It's built with high-quality metal and wood materials, giving it a sophisticated look that complements any modern living space. Now onto the features and specs. This is where the Premiere 8 truly shines. This Projector boasts an impressive 8K resolution, that's 4 times the resolution of 4K and 16 times that of Full HD. With 4000 lumens of brightness, you're getting a picture so bright and clear it'll leave you speechless. It's also packed with wireless connectivity options and supports screen sizes up to a massive 150 inches. But how does it perform? In a word, stunning. The Premiere 8K delivers a performance that is second to none. The image quality is nothing short of breathtaking. Every frame is rendered with precision and clarity, with vibrant hood colors and crisp details. It's like having a cinema in your living room. The immersive experience is truly unparalleled. That's it for today's review of Samsung the Premiere 8K. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting pieces of tech on the market. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings and tech news. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.